So today we're going to do some sewing practice on paper first. Make sure your foot pedal is a good distance from your leg. Should turn your machine on. Check your settings. So it should be a straight stitch, which is a pattern 1. It looks like a dashed line. Your stitch width should be at 0 and your stitch length should be at 2.5. Now by turning the hand wheel right here, we're going to make sure that the needle is lifted up and the presser foot is also up. So you want to first lower the needle to the start of your straight line and lower the presser foot as well. If you don't lower the presser foot, when you start sewing, the paper will be very shaky and your line won't be straight. Now you're going to slowly press on the foot pedal until the machine starts moving. And you always want to make sure that the line that you're following is in between this slit here on the presser foot. You should not be going any faster than this speed. So when I'm sewing, I'm not pushing the paper, I'm merely just holding it on the sides, just kind of guiding it, because the feed dogs will move the paper for me. When I get to the end of the line, I stop, lift up my presser foot, make sure my needle is not in the paper or it will rip. Lift up the needle, and then you have your straight line that you've just done right here. What we're going to do is move on to one of these curved lines. So again, lower your needle to the start of the curved line. Lower your presser foot and slowly press on the foot pedal. So as we get to the curve, we're going to start turning it, but we always want to see the black line in between the presser foot. So turn as you go. When we get here, we're going to turn. When we get to the end of this, we're going to turn again.